Storm victims in Florida are dealing with a host of hidden dangers from Hurricane Milton that has moved out of state. Hello, I'm Steve Eager. Flooding is persistent in some neighborhoods around the Tampa and St. Petersburg area. That raises the risk of waterborne illnesses and infections, along with electrocution from submerged power lines that are still charged. St. Petersburg is under a boil water notice. More than 2 million customers in Florida still have no electricity. At least 16 people have died from storm-related causes. Fox 4's Sean Rabb talked to several evacuees who are not sure when they will be able to return. Sean.
Yeah, well, one family's not returning. A young lady from North Texas moved to Florida 2.5 years ago, and in that time, she's lived through 5 hurricanes, including Helene and Milton, the last 2 weeks. Another family coming from Florida to Texas because of those same hurricanes. 2 different stories connected by hurricanes with 2 different decisions about their future.
What do you know about your residents in St. Pete after Milton passed through?
So I heard from my neighbor there that a part of the roof was torn off. I know some more windows shattered out, and there's a lot of rain that got inside of the building.
Grapevine native Brighton Young has called Florida home 2.5 years. She lives along the barrier islands in the Tampa Bay St. Petersburg metro, evacuating from St. Pete, that was hard hit, to Orlando to wait out Milton's wrath after being stuck in her home through Hurricane Helene.
I didn't make it out in time because my car wouldn't start, and there was no one around to help me jump it.
She captured Helene's high waters on her phone from her apartment.
It was already like 5 feet inside my building on the first floor, and I went above the hood on my car, so it was for over 6 hours. It was steadily very high.
Now, more aftermath challenges.
Just coming even to safety, very quickly the hotels become limited and they become expensive. And yeah, just trying to get assistance for that has not been successful thus far. So anyway, I'm still trying to reach out to resources, but yeah.
Simple grocery stores are trashed, gas stations, the little mobile home parks that have the little lakes and everything, they overflowed into the roads.
Sarah Atkins and Raphael Kelly talked with us Wednesday. They left Bradenton, just south of St. Petersburg, dropped the kids and pets at Grandma's in Louisiana, and came to North Texas, where Raphael grew up, for sure not going back.
Helene was pretty bad, left some damage, then this one came, Milton came, and the risk wasn't just it's not worth it.
Already finding a place to call home.
In Fort Worth.
In Fort Worth, yeah, now we're just waiting for the call back saying, yeah, you got the house and it's good to go.
Brighton Young says she has to go and see what else happened to her home, hit twice in 2 weeks in St. Pete.
Are you anxious about going back today?
Yes, I would say so. I think I mentally prepared myself for the worst, but it'll be a crazy reality.
A crazy reality, how these hurricanes change your life, and for some, change minds about where they'll call home.